We are Pakistan, Part 37. Well, the conventional methods of irrigation have certain disadvantages. They irrigate limited areas of land as only a small amount of water can be obtained. They require manual labor or animals and are more time consuming. They are difficult to build, maintain, and use, say, for example, carriers. Inundation canals only flow during the rainy periods or when water is from melting snow and ice centers the river. There are modern systems. Let's talk about the modern system. The perennial canals are linked to dams and barrages to provide water throughout the year. They can irrigate vast areas. There are tube wells. The tube wells have diesel or electrically operated pumps that can raise water from a depth of 92 meters, 300 feet, or more to irrigate farms of more than 1,000 hectares. Tube wells also help to lower the water table, protecting the land from waterlogging and salinity. Some modern tube wells are solar powered. The sprinklers and sprays are connected to public water and they supply pipes. They are centrally placed in fields to water the crops. They are used mainly in the orchards. The tankers collect water from the ponds and lakes and transport it to the household and fields in emergencies. This is very expensive and is rarely used for irrigation. There are sprinklers or sprays which are connected to public water supply pipes. They are centrally placed in fields to water the crops. They are used mainly in the orchards and market gardening. Agricultural crops are rarely irrigated by this method because it is far more expensive for the farmer due to its capital cost than the canal irrigation or tube wells. However, it uses water more efficiently with much less wastage. It also prevents waterlogging and salinity. Let's talk about the most important topic, Indus Water Treaty. Well, as we talk about Indus Water Treaty in 1947, after the partition, in 1947, with the creation of Pakistan, the province of Punjab was divided into East and West Punjab. The headworks of the canals of Satluj, Ravi remained in India as the share of India, whilst their drained areas became part of Pakistan. In 1948, India threatened to stop the water supply from these headworks that would have endangered the prosperity of Indus Plain. The water dispute was eventually resolved through the mediation of the World Bank. In September 1960, an agreement was signed that is known as the Indus Water Treaty. Under this treaty, Pakistan received exclusive rights to the water of three western rivers, the Indus River, the Jhelum River, and the Chenab River, and India to that of the eastern rivers, River Ravi, River Beas, and River Satluj. During the traditional period till 1973, India agreed to supply water to Pakistan. During the transitional period, Pakistan was expected to construct two storage dams, five barrages, and one gated siphon, and eight link canals. The construction cost was to be met by Australia, Canada, USA, UK, West Germany, and New Zealand. India was also expected to pay some of the cost. The remaining expenditure was to be met by Pakistan WAPDA, Water and Power Development Authority of Pakistan, of course. It was entrusted to supervise the projects. The following dams, barrages, and link canals have been completed. Let's talk about the dams.